Welcome back to our Python journey. In this video, we're going to dive into casting, which is a fancy word for converting data from one type to another. Sometimes in Python, you might have a number stored as an integer, but need it as a float, or a number stored as a string that you wanted to do math with. That's exactly where casting comes in handy. For example, imagine you have the number 10 as an integer. By using casting, you can turn it into a float, which allows you to perform calculations that require decimal points. On the flip side, if you have a float like 9.87, but only need the whole number part, you can convert it to an integer. Python will simply drop the decimal part, giving you a neat whole number. Casting isn't limited to numbers either. Sometimes numbers come as strings, especially when you're getting input from a user or reading from a file. If you have a string 25 but need to perform math on it, you can cast it to an integer. Similarly, if you have a number and you want to display it as part of a message or combine it with text, you can cast it into a string. And of course, strings can also be converted into floats. For instance, a string like 3.14 can be turned into a float so you can use it in calculations that involve decimals. By mastering these simple casting techniques, you'll be able to handle all kinds of data transformations in Python, making your programs more flexible and powerful. In the next video, we'll continue our Python adventure and explore even more exciting topics. Stay tuned and let's keep learning together.